Hey, what's up guys? It's Brandon Tomlinson. I'm here in Bowling Green, Kentucky with Terminal Manager Tony McKinney. This is 53 Feet. So Tony, how long you been living in Bowling Green?
Pretty much all my life.
It's a couple years, huh?
Yeah, right.
That's what I'm talking about. So you go out to eat in Bowling Green, where are you going?
Most of the time, Rafferty's my favorite.
Okay. And if you're at Rafferty's, what are you ordering?
Steak, prime rib.
Can't go wrong with it.
No.
Favorite sport to play?
Golf.
Okay. How far are you driving a ball?
About 260 yards.
That's
a little
not,
more.
okay. I'm impressed. I like it. Favorite sport to watch?
Basketball.
Who are you watching?
Toppers. Go Tops.
Go Tops. Thank you, Tony. I appreciate it, man. We'll catch you guys later.